For adding these details. Now, in fact, let's also move on to other developments. After halting their march on Friday, 101 farmers and the Jatha of 101 farmers from Punjab have resumed their journey to Delhi from the Shambhu border. March led by farmer leader Sarwan Singh Pandher. The march, organized by Samyukt Kisan Morcha and Kisan Mazdoor Morcha, faces the tight security with Section 163 of the BNS enforced. The Haryana government has also suspended mobile internet services in almost 11 villages. This marks the fourth attempt by farmers to reach the parliament and have resumed on to their call of Delhi Chalo, escalating the ongoing protest against the demands, in fact, that they have been forwarding in front of the central government. My colleague Vipin Parmar is in fact on the border areas which have seen heavy barricading and also the arrangements made by the police and the authorities. Let's also firstly get onto the ground report and see what is the mood on the ground. Vipin, at this point of time, in fact, what is the situation is like? Because at 12 p.m. we are understanding that 101 farmers are going to march towards Delhi and in fact try their luck at the fourth attempt of moving towards the national capital in a rage and agitation of the demands that they have put forward before the central government. But what remains to be on the ground, we have seen the scenes emerging early this morning that there are the large congregation and gatherings of the farmers bound on the border. What is the latest that you are picking up?
Well, of course, the situation over here at the border, Shambhu border, we have seen in recent past that, situation can change any time. But as far as today is concerned, farmers, they have decided, they are very much confident that they'll be moving towards Delhi. They'll be, entering Haryana border from Shambhu. But you can see the arrangements had already been done. 101 farmers who were sent a day back on 6th of this particular December to that particular border, now the list have changed. Totally new names of 101 farmers. They'll be entering Haryana from this particular point. You can see the gatherings. The farmers have done a temporary barricading to, stop all other farmers who are gathering over here. Only 101 farmers. They'll be, moving towards Delhi on feet. You can see on the other side, police, they did multi-layer of barricading, but which was, taken down by the farmers. It was, when last time they, tried to enter that particular border, all the barricadings were removed. But today itself, it's a totally new day for the farmers, as they are pretty much confident. They are clearly stating that they'll be moving towards this particular border where they were stopped. This is the concrete bunker which they were not able to demolish, but police, they opened tear gas over the farmers. Approximate 8 to 9 farmers were injured at that particular time. But today you can see that these curtains have already been brought in to stop those tear gas shells which will be fired upon them. So today itself, the farmers are coming up with new strategy, which we witnessed during 13th February 2024 agitation, when they tried to enter this particular border through with their tractors. They were stopped at multi-layer barricading, but all those multi-layer barricading had already been removed by the farmers a day back. But you can see that all these farmers, they have gathered at this particular point, and around 12 noon today itself, they'll be again marching towards this particular border which connects Punjab with Haryana. As far as farmers are concerned, they're clearly stating that they just want to do a peaceful protest. They just want to move towards Delhi to, start their protest against the central government, as their demands were not fulfilled. But as far as the Haryana government is concerned, they are clearly stating that they don't have any permission. Already Section 163 had imposed in Haryana. 5 layer of, barricading have done after this concrete bunker. So we have to wait and see what sort of visuals will be there when these 101 farmers will try again to enter Haryana from this particular border of Shambhu.
Vipin, in fact, as you continue to be on the Shambu border, which is right now witnessing an uprising of the farmer groups who are gearing up to move towards the national capital in a group of 101 Jatha. What remains to be, in fact, seen today as they attempt to march towards the national capital? What unfolds in their attempt as the police and the Haryana government has made extensive efforts to stop and prevent the farmers from coming towards Delhi after not getting any clarity from the government. In fact, the farmers have taken this call. Now, my colleague have also filed ground reports and spoken with the farmer leaders. Let's take a listen.
दोपहर 12 बजे आज किसानों का शंभू बॉर्डर से कूच है। ऐसे में दूसरी तरफ की तस्वीरें आप देख सकते हैं। पंजाब पुलिस भी जो है वो मीडिया कर्मियों को अंदर जाने से रोक रही है। उसको देखते हुए कल एक एडवाइजरी हरियाणा सरकार की ओर से जारी की गई थी, लेकिन उसके बाद जो है वो बैरिकेडिंग जो है वो यहाँ पर जो की गई है उस पर मीडिया को भी रोका जा रहा है। पंदेर साहब क्या कहेंगे जिस तरीके से पंजाब सरकार की ओर से भी रोका जा रहा है?
नहीं, देखिए, ये निंदनीय कार्य है पंजाब सरकार का। भगवंत मान सरकार अथवा जो केजरीवाल सरकार से बोलती थी केंद्र जबर कर रहा है किसानों के ऊपर, अब पंजाब पुलिस भगवंत मान सरकार जबर पे उतर आई है। मीडिया जो चौथा थंब है देश का, उसे रोका जा रहा है। वो क्यों रोका जा रहा है, इसलिए सोचने की बात है।
आज 12 बजे कूच रहेगा?
हाँ, बिल्कुल रहेगा। ठीक है, इनसे निपट लें, 12 बजे कुछ भी करेंगे।
साहब, आप देख सकते हैं कि दूसरी तरफ जो है की ओर से एक पत्र जो है वो लिखा गया था पंजाब पुलिस को भी, और एक एडवाइजरी भी जारी की गई थी। उसके बाद से यहाँ पर जो है वो मीडिया कर्मियों को जिस तरीके से रोका गया, उसको लेकर जो है अब किसानों की ओर से पुलिस की जो यहाँ पर चौकी बनी हुई है उसके बाहर प्रदर्शन जो है वो करना शुरू कर दिया गया है। कैमरा पर्सन जतिन के साथ विपिन परमार, इंडिया न्यूज, शंभू बॉर्डर, पंजाब।
Now we are shifting our focus to developments that we are tracking from the world largest